Everybody knows basements are creepy, wet, scary places where cockroaches play poker all night. But I ain't scared. I'm in basements all the time. What determines if a basement's going to be wet or not is its foundation. This house is old enough that it has a stone foundation with a barge coat, so chances are it's going to be wet. Second thing that determines if a basement's going to be wet is its grade. The outside grade toward the house determines if water's going to go to the house or away from it. And also damage. Any damage to a foundation wall, of course, will let water in. What people don't realize is there's hydrostatic pressure underneath the basement floor. This hydrostatic pressure pushes up, ultimately pushing water up through any damage or cracks. I knew this basement wouldn't be any different. All the signs are there, the stains, the cracks. I just had to find it. It took me a while to find it, but there it is. There's so much hydrostatic pressure that I could take a step 5 feet away and the water would push up through the slab. Bloop. Amazing. So, the sump pump must be full, right? Wrong. The sump pump's doing its job. It's empty. This means the hydrostatic pressure must be in a layer. This is something I hadn't seen before. It must be at a thin layer beneath the concrete slab, but above the sump pump. This would be a tricky one to mediate, but remember, anything can be fixed. It just depends on how much you want to spend. Want to know what else I saw today? Subscribe to our channel and we'll keep you in the loop.